Good morning, fifth graders. I know it seems a little odd that today is day two, since it's Friday, but you had a lot of hard work with MCA testing this week. So we're going to go ahead with our work on phonics. And our objective today is I can practice reading words that have the OU and the OI sounds. And these sounds are called something special. They're called a diphthong. A diphthong is when there's two vowels in the same syllable. All right, and both of these vowels make they're a separate sound, and sometimes they're called gliding vowels because one sound just glides into the next. Okay, so while we're reading words and trying to find words with diphthongs today, practice saying them and noticing how each vowel has its own sound and they glide into each other. All right, so you will need your My Words Study book, and we're on page 20 today. All right, and today we're going to underline the diphthongs, the OU and the OI spelling in each word. Then we're going to pronounce each word with someone. Practice reading the words on your own. And when you're ready, you'll have someone time you for 1 minute as you read the words. Okay, and the goal is to keep practicing these words to improve your speed. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and flip my screen into the same page that you're looking at. All right, so remember the diphthongs that we're focusing in on are OU and OI. In a diphthong, two vowels in the same syllable, okay, but each make a separate sound. Okay, so that very first word on the list is out. You might, if you're alone, say that out loud. Out. You can hear both of those vowels. One glides into the other. And you can circle that as one of your diphthongs. Okay, the next one is cloud. Hear both those vowels. Cloud has one syllable, and both those vowels are making a sound. All right, so we went ahead and found the first two. Let's go down and notice one that has an OI. Okay, here I see oil. Oil is a diphthong. It has that OI at the beginning. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and see if you can find at least two more of the OU and the OI diphthongs. All right, noticing these will help us become better spellers as well as readers. All right, and then the next step is to read these words either together, or if you're confident and would like to read these on your own, feel free to stop the video. Okay, but for those of you that would like to read through the list one time with me, I am going to start on that far left with the word out, go down, and then skip over and go top to bottom, and then keep moving over. I'll read the words on the top of the gray line first, and then we'll go to the bottom of the gray line. Okay, so to start us off, we have out, how, boy, oil, spout, about, house, noise, sprout, spouse, cloud, brown, toy, boil, mouth, around, noun, join, coin, allow, shout, owl, joy, broil, crown, louder, pound, choice, sour, drown, south, ground, soy, point, doubt, round, snout, spoil, poise, frown. Found, crowd, proud, voice, flower, ouch, mouse, avoid, chow, hour. All right, then we'll do the same with the words below the gray line. Here we have drought, wildflowers, noisily, oyster, devoid, loudly, employment, warehouse, surrounded, powwow. Outdoors, showered, spoilage, joyously, growled, decoy, announcement, disappointment. Oh, excuse me, I said that wrong. It's actually disappoint. Turmoil, eyebrows, outlandish, powerful, exploit, royal, rejoice, powder, poison, pronounce, turquoise, allowance, mountain, cowboy, moisture, joyful, annoyed, towel, voyage, discounted, devoured, countdown, downtown, vowed, hoisted, enjoyed, destroying, background, viewpoint, disappointed, without, and touchdown. All right, fifth graders, go ahead and practice this 2 or 3 times by yourself. And then the last step for today is to have someone time you. Nice work.